Good morning. What a difference. Yesterday it was 70. Today it's wet. Well, it rained and we had such strong winds last night. So I was expecting more things to be turned upside down. But the only thing that I have to work on is the trellis, my makeshift trellis. I'm going to secure that. See how it's leaning to one side? It was already starting to lean because the jasmine on the left side was growing much faster. That was an older plant that I put there. So that's been in the ground this is going on the second year. And the other side I just put in this past summer. So that side is growing so fast, and that with the wind, it has it lopsided. So since it's a little nippy out here, that's the only thing I'm going to do today. Let's just try and secure that so it don't flop all the way down. Yeah, right now it's I think it's in the 40s here in Georgia, zone 8A. 40s and windy. And it's going to get cooler by this afternoon. So I'm going to do this real quick and get myself back inside where it's nice and toasty. Hopefully I just have to bang in a couple of stakes and then I use the zip ties to secure it to the trellis. Actually it's cow panels. Yep, they're cow panels that I actually put together. I think they come about 7-8 feet, and secured them together and then stuck them in the ground. And the reason I used that because it was flexible. If I purchased one, like arbor wood, a wood trellis, I couldn't bend it like it's bending now. And since the pathway is curved, I really needed the flexibility. You know what? I inserted a picture of the wood arbor, and it may be something that can work. That's something I'm going to look at this year.